of scientists to assess food safety standards and establish whether there is any link between food products and the rising burden of chronic illnesses, including cancer. Agriculture Principal Secretary Dr. Kiprono Rono says the 3-month study comes amidst public concerns over food quality.
We have already banned close to 72 pesticides, which we saw they were exogenic. And therefore, with that ban, we still need to go deep and try to do an analysis to make sure that the food Kenyans are taking are safe food from cancerous related diseases and others. We have also given the scientists here through CALDO 1 month to tell us the methodology on which we can use to address the issue of aflatoxin in our soil and in our food. And we already have a product, Aflosafe, which we believe that once we get the technical report, we can make a decision as government whether to adopt Aflosafe as one of the farm input in addition to fertilizer.